Hello guys, today I want to show technology for help us learn English. This technology called VPN. See, I go open Chrome web browser and put term VPN for search. Okay. See, some results are English results. Oh, sorry, Portuguese results. Okay. Uh, Now I open VPN tool. My VPN tool is developed by Kaspersky company. Kaspersky Kaspersky is company for security applications. Okay, I open. See, in the main page, I click in location. For location, for first location, I prefer choose location near my home. In this case, Brazil. Okay, for location 2, I choose location that language is location. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know say this. For example, UA Cito and I click connect. Now I open Chrome browser again. Then I put VPN term again. See, all results are English. Nice. Bye bye. Yeah, bye.